What's up guys, as I mentioned in my last video, we looked at the surf report for Ocean Beach and it looked pretty promising, so we drove up the coast after watching the first few heats of the Coldwater Classic at Santa Cruz. That day getting back to SF was decent, but it really started to heat up over the next couple of weeks. In this video I hit up Ocean Beach 4 times in about 10 days. I got some great clips, epic images, and met some really dope people. Hope you enjoyed the video, let's go!
Perfect, y'all. See you in a little bit. Alright, later. Let's go. We got Dilly coming, and it's going to be a good time. We're going to figure out where we want to surf. And, you know, I'm going to get in the water this time. I'll bring the GoPro. It won't be anything impressive, but it'll be fun. And hopefully I'll get a few waves, and then we'll have Brian, who's filming right now. He's going to be filming from the beach. It's going to be sick, so stay tuned.
How we doing?
Dude, I like the beanie, bro.
Thanks, man.
I like the whole fit, dude. You look real cozy.
It's chilly out, man. I gotta get the fit on. It's good, man. Good to see you guys.
Ready to get this?
Yeah. I'm pumped.
Let's get it, dude. Dude, it makes me nervous. That's the start of my highest viewed YouTube video.
It's not
Damn,
really
man.
crowded at all, but it's kind of. Those are the ones. There's gonna be more sets like that.
Yeah, let's go get it, dude. Let's get suited, bro.
Yeah.
Let's get suited.
So.
Oh! We are not in Southern California anymore.
Take it too far, now I dwell in the sand like a fish on land. Like a fish on land. Must be hell, no more cookies in this jar. Did I take it too far? Now I dwell in the sand like a fish on land. 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 I was getting lost.
What's going on, guys?
How's it going?
How was it?
It's fun.
I'm tired, man.
Pretty fun. Some water moving. There's some good ones.
Oh yeah.
Just got super crowded. Tide switched. Tide got low and then it kind of got weird. Now it's coming back in. So there's waves though.
There's some fun waves out there. I got pummeled on the way back in. Did you see that?
I don't know if I got that one, but I got some shit you're gonna like. Let's just
Yeah?
say that. Yeah.
Did you get his first right?
Yeah, I got that.
That thing was fucking sick.
That's the best way. I'm glad you got it because that's the best way back out.
Yeah, you guys got 2 right off the bat. That shit was sick. So.
Yeah.
I know, dude. You got that one, and then fucking, I was in the
Wasn't that
perfect
good
spot.
though? I was like a little bit behind it. Like it was kind of like
Yeah.
thought it could barrel, thought it would open up, but it was kind of racy. It was kind of like bendy too.
Yeah.
But how is it out front? Is there waves here, or is it like?
Yeah, no, there's been some buttes over here, but I don't know. I still think where you guys were at was probably the best, but
Yeah, that was the best peak.
it was just, yeah, it was probably the most consistent. Over here's had some nice waves, but
kind of lowly.
yeah, exactly.
It was a little
Kinda
lowly over
folded
there
over.
too. There was waves, but like the best sets, it was like 1 or 2 wave sets.
Definitely
How's
got
life
some.
been over here behind the camera?
Life
man?
on the
It's
beach.
been great. It's been peaceful.
Life behind the lens.
Yeah,
Can't beat
exactly.
it.
It's been great, but I definitely got some cool stuff today. Yeah,
Hell
so
yeah,
I'm
dude.
stoked.
Definitely, that's. And everybody on YouTube watching the video, don't forget to like, subscribe. Shout out to Dilly Dilly for always killing it. And shout out to Brian Donald for filming it and having fun with the camera on the beach. It was a good day. Stay tuned. We got some good Ocean Beach surf coming up in the next like week and a half or so. Merry Christmas, Swell.
What's going on? We're here in Petaluma. I just picked up Kevin. About to head down to Ocean Beach. Should be a decent day down there. It might be a little messy. It's super windy right now. I'm hoping there's gonna be an offshore and get some nice glassy waves on camera. But yeah, so we're heading down. Gonna meet up with some boys: Dylan Hamilton, James, Ethan. And yeah, should be a good day. Hopefully the waves are nice enough for photographing. What do you say, Kev?
It's cold.
Yeah, it's super cold, so it's like super wind chilled right now, which is kind of making it really cold. You're the one getting in the water. I'm gonna laugh my ass off watching that happen. But anyway, yeah, let's go. hope you enjoyed the video. As always, please like and subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated. NorCal has some serious storms on the way, but stay tuned for more winter swells coming soon.